I'm not half thinking it. My name is Lusa, and, yes, I'm not so strong, but I do everything but that say I shall do. Then, we should hear what the crawlers want. There he is. Greetings, Crow. How goes? Something I shall do? Yes, you shall, kill something for me. What should I kill for you? You shall, kill, a plain strider. Just a plain strider. But why plain striders? They are so cute. Plain striders? If you want. Yes, you shall kill plain striders. But still... Okay, I kill those plain striders for you. Yes, then I have to run over and kill the plain strider. Okay, I run. I'm not so glad for kill plain striders. That one. I did run it. You plain strider. It's not hear me. I try again. You there, plain strider. I need to kill you. You're not my best, but, sorry, I need to do it. Something wrong? I don't like it. Plain striders die. Then I have to return to Crow. It's a different quest he gave me there. Greetings, Crow. I have killed the plain strider. What you now want me to? Is something hard?